kalilin, this is Ailynski vlog, the Biculanang Uragon. Now mga kalilin, I'm already here at Carrefour supermarket mga kalilin, and I want to buy all ingredients, I mean vegetables, and my menu for today is sweet and sour vegetable mixed with tofu. So mga kalilin, let's go to the vegetables area. So now mga kalilin, I already have vegetables area. See, and for vegetables. So mga kalilin, I already got all I needed. So mga kalilin, let's see. So let's go to the kilogram area. I'll go to brother. I will tell the brother to give me discount. Oh, okay, brother, say hi to my vlog. This one, brother, they check how much all of this. So, brother, please give me discount. Okay, thank you. Thank you, brother. So now, I'm going to the counter area, mga kalilin. Mga kalilin, I'm going to pay now. See mga kalilin, that is the all ingredients that I'm going to use. This one is a fresh tofu, and this one mga kalilin is a ginger. This one is a garlic. Then we have here white onion. Then I'm going to use also carrots. Then we have 3 types of capsicum. We have green capsicum, yellow, and red. And then I will use also, this one is a sliced pineapple. Then we have here cornstarch. We have tomato ketchup, cooking oil. We have a white vinegar. We have here black pepper. Black pepper. And we have here sugar. Then this one is the spices. I'm going to add this one to taste. And of course, I have here water. So mga kalin, let's start. Mga kalinling, the first thing to do is to put the cooking oil. And then my frying pan is already heat. So now I'll put cooking oil. Then mga kalinlin, I'm going to fry this tofu. Then we will wait the tofu to become golden brown. As you can see mga kalilin, now the tofu is already golden brown now. So I will sit aside. So mga kalinlin, the second things to do is to salt also the capsicum and carrots. So now I'll put the capsicum, then I will fry little bit. So mga kalilin, I fry the capsicum 1 minute only. So now, I will set aside. Then mga kalilin, the next is, I will fry also the carrot. So now mga kalilin, same, I fry only 1 minute. Then after that, I will set aside. Then mga kalilin, the third things to do is to soak the garlic. Then the white onion. And then the ginger. In the next mga kalilin, I will put vinegar. See, this is vinegar, white vinegar. Then I will put also tomato ketchup. I will mix it. Then now mga kalilin, I put also water. Then I will add ground black pepper. Then I will add also ginisa. That one is spices to taste. So mga kalinlin, we will wait 2 minutes to boil the sauce. Then after that, we will put the capsicum and carrots. Then mga kalinlin, I will add also the sugar. 1 tablespoon of sugar. And now mga kalinlin, I will add also the cornstarch. See, this is cornstarch. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And now mga kalinlin, I will put the carrots. Then mga kalinlin, we will wait 1 minute. Then after that, I will mix also the capsicum. Then the next is, I will mix also the capsicum. Then mga kalinlin, I will add also sliced pineapple. This is pineapple. I will add now. Then we will wait also 2 minutes mga kalinlin. Then after that, I will add also the fried tofu. Then mga kalinlin, now I will add the fried tofu.
So mga kalinlin, we will wait 1 minute. Then after that, it's ready to serve. So now mga kalinlin, my sweet and sour vegetables with tofu is now ready to serve. Mga kalinlin, this is the finished product. As you can see, it's very yummy. This one mga kalinlin is a sweet and sour vegetables with mixed tofu. So if you like my dish mga kalinlin, don't forget to share, comments, and click down bell on my videos so that you're always updated on my new uploads. So mga kalinlin, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye!